Our study is called Netflix and Chill.
College students are a population that is frequently stressed and that they engage in different behaviors to try to reduce stress.
We're trying to see if reading a book and watching a Netflix show have the same effects when it comes to stress reduction, or one is more effective than the other.
Participants come into the lab and they first sit down and relax for a while.
As they relax, we're taking their blood pressure, so that's like the baseline blood pressure.
And then we expose them to the Trier social stress test. The first thing they have to do is they have to give a speech.
Imagine you are like interviewing for your job, for your dream job, and then instead of like doing an interview, you are giving a speech. As they're delivering and preparing for the speech, we're also measuring their blood pressure.
Then after that, they do a mental arithmetic task.
They have to subtract a small number from a big number just repeatedly, and then every minute the number changes.
2,812.
At the end, they have a 25-minute period of relaxation, so that's when they're assigned to either the reading condition or the Netflix condition.
I don't really have a hypothesis that one is definitely better than the other, but we're hoping to see, is one more effective than the other? I think it's really important for students to get some hands-on research experience. On a surface level, it seems like they're just learning basic skills, but really they're learning what it's like to be in a research lab. So they're learning how to administer the protocols. It really helps them to be more competitive after they leave Earlham if they want to go try to work in a research lab or apply to grad school.
I can already tell that I do want to go into research.
I don't realize how many questions I have that I want to answer.